Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge, just to show you this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the Jeep today just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Starting with, it is in your granite crystal metallic paint finish, accented by your blackout badging across the Jeep. And as we come around towards the back here, you can see you do have your backup camera equipped there, as well as your rear park sense, so you can see your sensors there across that back bumper. Of course, your hitch equipped back there, your power lift gate. So just check out some of the space in the back here. You can see a decent amount of cargo room back there in your cargo area. You also do have your rubber floor mats included across the Jeep. So a great little accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Again, just your power lift gate option. Now your Jeep Grand Cherokee also offers great 4x4 capabilities, giving you great handling on even some of those tougher road conditions. So just to check out some of the features inside, so the Jeep can fit up to 5 passengers. You can see in the back seat there, decent amount of leg room for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. Again, you do have your rubber floor mats included across the Jeep as well. Just to check out some of the features up front here. So you do have your touchscreen display area there, very user-friendly interface, a lot of great features packed in here as well. So you do have access to all your audio media controls built in there, as you can see right there. Also your climate control options in through there. You do have your heated front seats as well as your heated steering wheel. Just some of the apps that are included, your navigation option, your Bluetooth capabilities, as well as just some of your settings. Just below that, again, you have access to all your basic audio media controls, climate control options. You do have your lane departure, so you can toggle that on and off. In through your center console area, you do have your USB port hookups just in behind there. Push button start in there. Key fob for the unit right here, so you do have remote start included, as you can see right there. Steering wheel mounted control, so you do have access to all your cruise control options, Bluetooth, Uconnect capabilities in on the left hand side. In behind the steering wheel, access to your audio media controls. So everything easily accessible right on the steering wheel itself, allows you to keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. But you can see this Jeep Grand Cherokee has a great blend of features included in it. If you have any other questions about this Jeep, please feel free to give us a call, 780-826-2999.